Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make a long-lasting car air freshener. First, let's gather our simple materials. You'll need a small piece of felt, perhaps 2 by 2 inches, your favorite essential oils, and a small, breathable container or pouch. Selecting high-quality essential oils is key here, as they provide a much stronger and more enduring fragrance. This initial step ensures your homemade freshener will be effective and pleasant for weeks to come, making your car smell wonderful without harsh chemicals. Now, let's talk about scent selection. This is where you can truly personalize your air freshener. Choose essential oils that you love and that are safe for use in a car environment. A good starting point is combining about 20 to 30 drops of your preferred oils. For instance, lavender and peppermint make a refreshing blend. Once your oils are mixed, prepare a small piece of felt or a cotton pad, roughly 2 by 2 inches, to absorb your custom fragrance. With your felt pad and essential oils ready, it's time for assembly. Carefully apply the essential oil mixture onto the felt pad, ensuring it's evenly saturated. You want the felt to absorb the oils thoroughly for maximum scent diffusion. Next, gently place the saturated felt pad inside your chosen small, breathable pouch or container. Make sure the pouch is securely closed to prevent any accidental spills or leaks, keeping your car interior clean and fragrant. Finally, let's discuss placement and how to keep your car smelling fresh for longer. You can hang your new air freshener from the rearview mirror or clip it to an air vent for optimal scent distribution. To maintain a strong fragrance, simply refresh the felt pad with an additional 5 to 10 drops of essential oil every 2 to 3 weeks. Storing your extra essential oils in a cool, dark place will also help preserve their potency for future use.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.